the moment I slipped into my pink flip-flop sandals. It felt like something small but specialer, quiet ritual of self-care and beauty. The soft, flexible straps gently embraced my feet, fitting like they were made just for me. The color was perfect, a playful, feminine pink that popped with just the right amount of boldness. But what caught my eye most was the contrast to my toes, freshly pedicured and painted in the deepest, glossiest black, peeking out confidently from beneath the soft pink. There's something powerful about a black pedicure. It's not just a color, it's a statement. Sleek, polished, a little edgy, against the light, sugary tone of the sandals. The black polish made my feet look elegant and confident, like they had their own personality. I curled my toes ever so slightly, admiring how the glossy surface reflected the light, turning my simple flip-flops into a true style moment. I took a step toward the mirror and couldn't help but smile. These weren't just shoes. This wasn't just nail polish. It was an attitude of soft rebellion against the expected. The combination of girly, pink, and mysterious. Black said everything I couldn't put into words. A quiet confidence. A mix of sweetness and strength. Feminine, but fearless. The kind of look that doesn't need to shout to be noticed. The flip-flops were more than comfortable. They felt freeing. No stiff straps, no high heels, no pressure. Just the sensation of cool air brushing against my skin, and the quiet awareness of my freshly cared for feet. I imagined walking along the beach, the sound of waves in the background, my toes leaving light prints in the sand, polished and proud, even just standing still. The pairing of delicate pink and bold black made me feel like I was ready to step into summer with intention.com. I loved how the sandals drew attention to my feet in the most subtle way. Not too flashy, not too plain, just enough to make you look twice. My toes, with their jet black gloss, looked like tiny jewels resting above the soft pink soles. It was the kind of contrast that made me feel both pretty and powerful. And isn't that the best kind of beauty? Effortless, but unforgettable. As I walked slowly across the room, I felt every step, not just physically, but emotionally. Like each step was a small celebration of myself. Of feeling good, looking good, and owning every detail right down to the shade of my toenails. These pink flip-flops may be simple, but paired with my sleek black pedicure, they turned into something so much more. A mood, a vibe, a moment of pure, confident femininity.